Okay, so hip thrust for beginners, the best way to kind of teach you how to do it is to break down what's going on, what you're trying to achieve, and what muscle groups is working and how you go about doing it, okay? So essentially, your glutes, they control and govern four main roles. They govern your anterior tilt from here, your posterior tilt, which is essentially the hip flick, which is this. It also governs your glute extension, the hip extension, which is this. So most commonly used at the top of a squat or when you do a deadlift. So it's this point. Can also be done when I'm doing like a kickback, when I draw my femur backwards. It also governs abduction, which is essentially this, otherwise known as like when you're on the abduction machines in the gym, and you come out to the side. And the last one it governs, last rule or role is external rotation, which is this. So I'm turning it out, I can fit it on the outside. So to work on that, now you know the full roles we're trying to accomplish, let's work it. So bring yourself down. Now essentially where your feet are going, you're trying to make sure that you're creating a right angle. Trying to get to the top of the table, that's what I've got. If I go too far forward, it's more hamstring dominated, and then too narrow, it's not gonna work the purpose. So from here, girls, in terms of where I am, I wanna put my bra strap on the bench. Now I know I'll be okay. If you can't feel it, make sure you're wearing one. I come down, and I go up and I'm squeezing. So right now, this is how it's looking. Now you can maximize all four roles and maximize your quote unquote glute, like booty growth if I do this and I band it up. So right now, put on top of my quads, above my knees, and I pull out, abductions on, and we'll go through it. So it will look like this. Once I'm here, I'm gonna start from here. Abduction is on now. If I rotate my legs out and I'm turning them out this way, external rotation, so there's two rolls that I've got turned on. Glute extension is 3, and at the top, posterior tilt, the squeeze, that's all 4. So now I'm getting all 4. And now I hit all 4 rolls, that's how you're gonna maximize booty growth. That's it.